If you've got problems with the battery and the car's not starting properly, then the procedure to remove it is to remove the housing. You've then got a bolt at the front, which is a 13mm bolt, and you will then need to undo the terminals, which are 10mm bolts. Clips either side, you just need to push in, which then allows you to lift this out. You then need to undo the 13mm bolt that is just here at the front of the battery tray. You can see the bolt just here. And you'll need an extension on your socket to be able to reach that, because it's quite limited space down here. Once that's done, you need to remove the terminals, and you'll need a 10mm socket to undo these, making sure that you undo the negative one on the right hand side first, and then the positive. Once those are undone, you'll be able to push these clips in and lift off this pack at the top of the battery. To refit, it's just a case of slotting that in. Refitting is the reverse, so make sure you put the bolt in that holds the battery and secures it in place first at the front of it. Then you can put this back in place, and remember, connect the positive terminal first and then the negative one, and once that's all done, you can then just put the cover on, which will clip into place. And that's the battery swapped over.